Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening all. Today May 8th current affairs. World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day observed on 8th May and also World Thalassemia Day also observed on 8th May. That is a severe blood disease. So to make awareness among public, this day came into picture. World Thalassemia Day observed on 8th May. Vande Bharat mission begins to bring back standard Indians from abroad. So the government is operating 64 flights till 13th May to bring back nearly 14,800 Indian nationals stranded abroad due to the coronavirus lockdown. So it is been updated by Ministry of External Affairs, Subramanyam Jaishankar. Government sets a target of constructing roads worth 15 lakh crores in next 2 years. So updated by Nitin Gadkari, so Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, and also Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSME Minister. Iran's currency is said to get a new name. Previously it is real, right? Now it will be Toman. The difference is 10,000 real equal to 1 Toman. Remember, 10,000 real equal to 1 Toman. So Iran capital Tehran, President Hassan Rouhani. UN launches 6.7 billion US dollars global appeal to fight COVID-19. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres, headquarters New York City, USA. Donald Trump nominates a senior Indian American diplomat Manisha Singh as US envoy to OECD. What is this OECD? Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. ADB, Asian Development Bank, approves $500 million for Bangladesh COVID-19 response. So Bangladesh capital Dhaka, currency Bangladeshi Taka, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. SBI cuts benchmark lending rates by 15 points. Now marginal cost of funds based lending rate comes down to 7.25% from 7.40% with effect from 10th May 2020. SBI chairperson Rajnish Kumar, headquarters Mumbai. What is the new tagline after merger for SBI? Bade bank ke bade fayde. Big bank will be having big benefits. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank will offer a $500 million loan to aid India's COVID-19 efforts. Where is this Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? It is in Beijing, China. President is Jin Liqun. Modi's Investor Service sees India's economic growth at zero in financial year 21. Modi's Investor Service headquarters in New York, United States. CEO Raymond W. McDaniel Jr. Raymond W. McDaniel Jr. The International Monetary Fund IMF approves $18 billion emergency financing for 50 countries during COVID-19. IMF headquarters Washington DC, United States. Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva. Chief Economist Geeta Gopinath. Unique vehicle Sanjeevani developed at a local level in Madhya Pradesh. See that health workers will be able to go inside any area by Sanjeevani vehicle and they can investigate any suspect who is affected with the coronavirus without getting out of the vehicle. So without getting out of the vehicle, they can investigate. So that is the benefit of using Sanjeevani vehicle. So it is developed at Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Chief Minister Sivaraj Singh Chauhan. Governor Lalji Tandon. UNEP extended environmentalist and actor producer Dia Mirza's term as its national goodwill ambassador for another 2 years. Extended for another 2 years till the end of 22. What is this UNEP? United Nations Environment Program. Headquarters at Nairobi, Kenya. Executive Director Inger Anderson. Former Intelligence Chief Mustafa al-Kadhimi sworn in as the 6th Prime Minister of Iraq. Yesterday also we discussed. MP becomes the first state in country to provide midday meal ration. Dance use Leela Sampson to head JCB Prize for Literature 2020 jury. Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane becomes a brand ambassador for ELSA Corp. So that is the Indian Language Speech Assistant Corporation, a global edutech company. The Internet and Mobile Association of India, IAMAI, latest reports states that India has more internet users in rural areas than urban. So IAMAI headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman Amit Agrawal, President Subore. So Delhi ranks top in internet penetration. Kerala comes second according to again IAMAI report. So that is Internet and Mobile Association of India. Unemployment rate soars to 27.11% because of COVID-19 pandemic. Announced by Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, CMIE. CMIE headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman S.A. Dev, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Mahesh Vyas. IIT Delhi startup develops a mask that can be reused up to 50 times. So that is a NanoSafe Solutions is a startup of FITT, Foundation for Innovation and Technology Transfer at IIT Delhi, which develops a mask that can be reused up to 50 times. Pixar director Rob Gibbs passed away. Veteran director, story artist and writer of many Pixar films, Rob Gibbs passed away at the age of 55. That's the end of today's session. We will meet tomorrow.